Okay, now let's simplify this equation. It's very simple. It's you can read it 2 and then there's a bracket x plus 2, then there's x plus 2, then there's minus 3, then there's x minus 3, and then equals to x plus 7. Okay, so whatever is outside the bracket, I will multiply whatever is inside the bracket individually. So I'll multiply 2 by x and then 2 by 2. Okay, so individually I'll multiply each thing whatever is outside the brackets, right? So let's do it step by step. Now 2 by x is 2x, right? And then 2 by plus 2 is 4, right? And then minus 3 times x is minus 3x, minus 3 times minus 3 is minus multiply is plus, and 3 times 3 is 9 equals to x plus 7. Now let's focus on this one. So how would I simplify that? So I'll see there's 2x and minus 3x, so I'll add that. So 2 minus 3 is minus x, right? And then there is plus 4 and plus 9. That is plus 4 and plus 9 gives me plus 13 equals to x plus 7. Now what I will do is I will bring the x over here, because I will bring x over here and to the positive side of x. So I will rewrite this on another page. Minus x plus 13 equals to x plus 7, right? So I'll bring the x over there. So when I bring it over the equals, I have to change the sign of x to plus, so it should be opposite when I bring over. So I'll say 13 equals to x plus 7. So I'll add the two x's to 2x plus 7, 13. I'll rewrite that 13 equals to 2x plus 7. Now I will bring the numbers to one side. Okay, I'll bring that here, and when I bring it over I have to change the sign from plus to minus. So let me rewrite it. 13 minus 7 equals to 2x. 13 minus 7, I'll solve that. 13 minus 7 is I think it's 6, right? So 6 equals to 2x, and I will leave the x alone and bring the 2 over. And now if you notice, 2 is being multiplied by x, so I have to do the opposite. So I have to divide when I bring over, so it will be 6 over 2 equals to x, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 equals to x. So x, the value of x is 3, right? So that's as easy as it is. And sometimes what I do is I want to check if that's the right answer or not, if x equals to 3 or not. So I can just substitute the x's, so I can just rewrite that 3 plus 2. Instead of x, I will just write its value that I figured out, because that will tell me that if that's right or not. So 2 by 5, I'll solve because of BIMDAS, I'll solve the brackets first, and then I'll look at what's outside the bracket. So 3 minus 3 is 0, right? And then equals to 10 minus 3 times 0 is 0, so it equals to 10. And then the other side of bracket was x plus 7, so it's 3 plus 7, so 10 equals to 10. So that's the right answer, right? That means that my value for x is right. Please let me know if you have any difficulties with this, or if you didn't understand it, or you're struggling with it. I'll try to explain for it.